So here we are at another site. We're working up here on a major cubicle install with a bunch of all offices. So with this, they're keeping the ceiling grid. So we're going to have a little bit more labor time. You got to battle that way out. But most of the cubicles will come out through the column. They'll be base fed with electric. Some of the cubicles actually will have power poles, so we'll try to utilize that. That's the IT room, but larger project, about 450 wires, and we're going to have some cable tray installed. So in about 2-3 weeks, this thing will look totally different. They're already priming the walls, and we're the last people to come in. So we'll show you what it's going to be when it's all done. We have TVs, cubicles, general offices, antennas on the ceiling, on the roof. So we'll take a video of it when it's all completed. Stay tuned. And here we are, closing up King of Prussia now. As you can see, a bunch of cubicles have been dropped off. Way out there is Vince cleaning up for the day. We have some offices, cubicles. We also installed their WAPs. They just drop shipped them to us, and we put them in there. And of course, there's the cable tray. We do have some outside vendors that went a little bit crazy with their wiring, but most of our stuff is secured by J-hooks and cable tray. These are unique, very unique cubicles. So we have just the levees in there, and we have these. We're waiting on some of the inserts, but it's for satellite equipment, GPS equipment. So, but as you can see, some of the power poles are still being worked on. We have about 1 or 2 more days in here. But what's kind of cool about this is the wires all going at waist level, so you're not having a fight down there. So, but pretty much every cube out there has 2 network wires and then these coaxials. These are actually low loss for satellite GPS. A engineering group is moving into that. So we have some of the panels up there. So a lot of times when you're working with the installation team of the cubicles, you have to wait for them to put these skeletons together, and then we come in and lace our wires, and then once they put the panels up, we go. So this place is huge. We won't go entirely through this, but again, we have WAPs, we have cable tray. Some cable tray is exposed, some of it is not. Let's see if I can get in there. That's our main bundle. Some are supported by J-hooks. So here we have access control, piped in, power controllers. So, get a load of this, Verizon. So somebody came in and just put a really long patch cable on here. So it's been kind of annoying. So Verizon, their ONT. Our main bundle coming through the cable tray, our main bundle coming through. So, look at a thing of beauty. Now, what we did here was, and vendors are already coming in here to fire up their equipment, so that's not us, but whatever. We have cable managers, and more cable managers. So what we always encourage the clients to do is put their patch panels in there, our patch panels, then the switch, and we still have these magnificent 2Us. But if you just cascade these smaller patch cables, now this is a 2-footer, so of course you want to just go 1 foot. And you know, you can get all custom as you want, but basically if you just jump and cascade, you don't really need these cable managers. But outside vendors come in, and guess what? They put these gobbledygook cables in there. Now this outside vendor should have followed suit and gone through the cable manager, through the cable tray, and back down here. But anyway. So the guys did a really great job. We have 2 posts in here. They're bolted down to the ground. We have a cable tray, a ladder rack as some people will say, supporting the main bundle coming down. And we'll go through with this. Now we'll take a look at the back. This is also, they have some satellite equipment, so this is some power that they have running. and then the coaxial for the GPS equipment, satellite stuff. So they have really heavy duty, they're engineers and they're working with coaxial, satellite, all that good stuff. But wanted to show you a thing of beauty. Look at those punches. So what we did was we took our main bundle and we split them up. This bundle goes on this side and then we went on the side. So we're taking the back end of these cable tray managers and using it for cable management for the main bundle. So it's real easy to go ahead and service these. We have some documents. Everybody went kind of crazy. It's funny, as soon as we start cabling, people come in there like, oh yeah, let me fire up our stuff. So we do work with everybody, but as you can see, these are some nice punches, and yeah, the blue wires from an outside vendor. But all in all, the guys did a good job. Once again, to recap, ladder tray, cable managers, beautiful punches, Velcro, everything's been tested out, and the client actually drop shipped the switches, so therefore we were able to help them out. And as you can see right in there, that's our main bundle right there. There's really no reason to go into it, and that does a good job of hiding it and managing it. So again, from this look, there's our 2 posts times 2 racks. And of course everybody started putting their gear in there. So we're very thankful to have this opportunity in King of Prussia. And on to the next one. Love to hear from your comments, your thoughts, and what you guys would like to see. We're going to be doing a lot more tutorials. We're going to be doing a lot more tutorials on the access control and also video security cameras. So fun stuff with the bridge cable. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.